to Noel Foley, because obviously I don't know what's right with her. What's wrong with her? That's the question we have to ask ourselves. Because before that, as I said in my other video, they said about opening the schools, and then they said, oh, we keep doing, they went on for hours and hours about this. But yeah, the same thing happened last year. I remember the exact same thing I said to the to everybody, and to local TD I said it to too, that we can't be dilly-dallying around when it comes to the Leaving Cert. We make a decision we stand by, the same as Scotland and England done and Northern Ireland has done today. They have made a decision. They said to their students, this is what we're doing. There's no worry, there's no anxiety, this is just clarity and answers. In this country, no logic, just fuck up everything. Like literally, they couldn't do anything right in this government. They just fuck it all up. And the same with the Department of Education. They're the worst people you could ever come to know, because they don't tell the story. You think they would take a stand and say, we're going to use the grading system, we're going to use a different system, such and such. But again, this is causing so much confusion, so much upset, that the Leaving Cert students have to go in. And I can see, you don't have to be an expert to see it in Darla, and you can see it online. You can see students are upset. I'm a Leaving Cert student. I couldn't care less if I didn't, how bad I did in the Leaving Cert. I must tell you straight, I couldn't care. It's not any of my concern. It's not any of my concern. If I do good, then all well and good. If I do bad, then so be it. I'm not really going to annoy myself over it, because again, it says it's annoying yourself over it. And as I say to people, I know that some people generally want to do their best, and that's a good thing, because you can only do your best, and that's all you can do. And you can't do as much as your best, and as simple as that, that's all you can do. And if I do my best when I go and sit my Leaving Cert, so I always do with everything. I go in and I do my best. If it does come into having to do the Leaving Cert, but I'm saying to the government to cancel it, because the amount of upset this is caused by bringing in the Leaving Certs in 3 days a week, it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, and especially Noel Foley. They won't, I bet you anybody, because the same thing happened last year. For a long time they said they'll go ahead, and they go ahead. It's totally going to go ahead, the Leaving Cert. And then they came to a week, they would have decided themselves, not too long before the Leaving Cert actually, that they were not going to have it. They're going to have particular grades. And this is what they decided, I think only a few weeks beforehand, which didn't help anybody, because again, Scotland, England and Wales and Northern Ireland have made the decision, and they're saying to their students, this is what's happening. There's no need to worry, there's no need to be upset, there's no need to be annoyed. In this country, they're like, fuck everything, we're just going to do it arseways. And that's as simple as that. This is what Noel Foley's like. Just do it arseways, because literally they fucked it up so badly to predict the grades in this country. And Noel Foley knew about it for a week and didn't bother to tell anybody. It just goes to show you, great country. Same as her father, will you cook. But anyway, that's all I'm going to say. But I'm saying this to Noel Foley, if she has any common sense, because again, this is so much pressure. This is the thing that wasn't talked about Noel Foley. Noel Foley did mention. The amount of people who are stressed enough with COVID and going to school and this and all the restrictions and everything. Like, I don't like the restrictions at school, I might say straight, because it's too much of a change, it's too awkward. And it's just a nuisance. It's just generally a nuisance for me as a person that's dyslexic. It's not the way you could really walk. It's not feasible. It's not feasible. But I really couldn't care less. If I learn one thing, I'm happy enough. That's just the type of me. I'm just, I'm just kind of like, there's no point in annoying yourself and worrying yourself to death about it. Everything in life is a gift. It's a gift in disguise, some things. But, everything will fit in. You're very young, and I say this to young people, you're very young at this stage when you're going into an adult at Leaving Cert age. Everything will fit in. Don't worry about tomorrow, don't worry about next week, worry about here and now. And don't worry, because everything will fit into place, I promise you that. If you're willing to put in the work in life, things will come to you. Simple as that, things will come to you. If you put in the work, you're a hard work, you're an honest person, it's going to fit in. Everything's going to fit in place for you. There'll be no bother. But Noel Foley, on the other hand, I don't know. I don't know how she became Minister of Education. Micheál Martin, would you mind giving us clarity on this situation? What a great country.